Hey everyone, so today we're going to grill some brats and we're going to do an awesome method that makes them turn out juicy and perfect every time. Now I've got my grill preheated on a low medium heat. It's at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I've had my brats sitting out for about a half an hour. You want these to get to about room temperature before you cook them. Now we're going to start with a low and slow method. As you can see, again, I have this on a low medium heat, and brats already have a container around them. They have the intestines that are holding them in place. You don't need to sear them to hold in the liquid. You actually don't want to overcook them and have them split and squirt out all the liquid. So we're going to go ahead on the top section, if you have a top section of your grill. If not, you can do it on the bottom. But if you have a top section, use that. We're going to cook them for 15 minutes, flipping once in the middle, and then we'll come back and check on them. After about 7 minutes, we'll do the first flip. And as you can see, even up here, they're getting a little browned. I'm going to actually flip them this way so the hot part's on the inside again. A little bit of sizzling, but not too much. Give them another 7 minutes. Now I did lower my grill almost to low. I'm trying to keep it around 350. But now after 15 minutes, we're going to put these on the lower rack. We're going to turn it up to about a medium low. We still don't want to cook it too hot. Now we're just going to keep flipping it for the next 5 minutes and get the outsides a little browned. Alright, now after the 15-minute slow cook and then the 5-minute medium cook, we're going to go ahead and rest these. Now since I'm using a propane grill, you can leave them on the bottom, but I have the top, so I'm going to put them up there. And I'm just going to rest them in there for 5 minutes. If you want to rest them another way, you can wrap them in aluminum foil and then wait 5 minutes. So we're going to let them wait 5 minutes and then see how they turned out. Here's our finished product. Let's go ahead and see how they are. Let me see if we can show. It's still juicy in here. I don't know if you can see that juice dripping out down there. See if I can squeeze some in here. You can see the juice dripping out there. Great brats, not dry, perfectly done. A little crispy on the outside from that end cook, but since we slow cooked them, they're nice and juicy and not overdone. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out. Have any questions, let me know. This is Earthling Cooks. We'll see y'all later.